Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing something long overdue, revamping my L-shaped desk setup to finally get rid of this clutter and turn it into a clean, inspiring workspace for editing, photography and YouTube. As you can see, the Mac side of the setup is packed. My monitor is sitting too low, cables are out of control and I don't have enough usable space for accessories. That's why I ordered a monitor riser and today we will fix all of this. Time to handle these cables. I'm using some basic tools, nothing fancy, just velcro ties, clips and little patience. This is the monitor riser I got from Amazon. Pretty minimal and sturdy. Lifting the BenQ instantly frees up space underneath, and it's now at perfect eye level. The opposite wall was just plain. I have finally framed and printed some of my favorite shots: landscape, astrophotography, auto, aviation and a few portraits. These really bring character to the space. And here's the final result. A clean, functional and inspiring workspace. Whether I am editing photos, cutting YouTube videos or just vibing with music, this setup now feels like mine. If you like this transformation, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what's your favorite part of your own setup, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative content like this.